Over the years, I've had so many people bring up the concept of infinite banking, and I don't know, it never fully made sense to me for what I was doing. But also, a lot of those people couldn't answer some of my questions, and I don't know, or they hadn't done it themselves, and that's difficult for me. But I'm working on it. So I actually recently listened to a podcast episode on aid to assets about the topic, and I'm like, this makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I want to learn more. So now I'm thinking, how can I fold this into what I'm already doing? This concept of infinite banking. And some questions I have are just like, if I put in a certain amount, um, how much of a policy can I get? Like, I get the whole split thing, but like, how much of a policy can I get for what I want to bring? And then, can I use my Roth IRA?